Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So it seems like we're never going to get out of this triangle, but we have another chance now because I spot a possible top for the E-Wave. I think we looked at the subwave structure for this E-Wave in the triangle earlier today in the first video. I can't remember if it was in the Bitcoin or the Ethereum video, but certainly what we can spot here is obviously the triangle, the good old triangle. We've been talking about that now for a week or so. And in this triangle, we have 5 waves, A, B, C, D, E. And after 5 waves like that, a triangle can be complete. The question is now only, is this the top? It certainly could be, because it can't really go much higher without invalidating the triangle. The triangle will get invalidated above 1963, already above the C wave high here at 1942. It would need a modification of the triangle count, but the triangle itself wouldn't be invalidated. It will only get invalidated above 1963. But the overall assumption would be, based on the wave count here, that the triangle is going to break to the downside. After 5 waves, this is certainly something now that we're watching. I highlighted earlier today and yesterday that as long as we stay below 1963, the idea is that out of this pattern, we are breaking out to the downside and that we are heading down in a C wave of wave 2. So at the moment, the idea is obviously, and that has been, I've been preaching that now for a while, because that's currently the preferred wave count, that we rallied here in wave 1 to the top on the 16th of April. This here is now an ABC structure. The B wave currently preferred count is that the B wave unfolds as an Elliott wave triangle. It could also be a higher B wave, but as long as we stay below 1963, the idea is it's a triangle. The triangle would, as per this count, break to the downside. Of course, I cannot rule out a break to the upside. Then it would still, however, be the same scenario. It would just be a higher B wave, okay? Just know that is possible, okay? But therefore, I give you the key level here of 1963 to understand when the triangle gets invalidated. But hey, we're waiting for 5 waves to be complete in the triangle. They could be now, because we've got an A wave done, a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and an E wave. And in the E wave as well, we've got an ABC structure. In the previous video, we were here, and I talked about, one more wave actually is missing to have a completed C wave in E. So we have a 3-wave move in wave E. The A wave, probably a 3-wave move as it seems. The B wave, 3 waves, which is fine. And the C wave 5. That's normally what you want to see. And from that point of view, as long as we stay now below the intraday high, the idea is, okay, this could be the breakdown. But if it is the break of the triangle, it will happen quickly. Yeah, a triangle break happens quickly typically. So when the E wave is complete, normally you see a swift move to the opposite side of the E wave. If that doesn't happen, we don't have a triangle break. Highlighted to you before that really to get a confirmed triangle break, we need to take out the B wave low, and that is at 1790. Already a break below the D wave low at 1810 will be a good hint that the triangle is breaking. Anything else really is only temporary. We need those confirmation levels. Yeah, but for me, the clear preferred action is here to the downside based on the structure. But again, I cannot rule out a move up. Bear in mind that the higher degree assumption is that we are in an uptrend. Therefore, any pullback can be short. Yeah, the idea is we are currently in overall a 3rd wave. Within the 3rd wave, this is our 1-2 setup with support all the way down to 1533. So as long as we're holding 1533, taking a look at the bigger picture, the overall idea is we could rally in a 3rd wave. But yeah. See, but at the moment, everything is playing out on the lower time frames, because it is in the triangle that price action is going to be decided. In the next few weeks of price action are going to be decided, because at the moment we're just moving sideways in a range. As long as we don't break out either below 1790 or 16 or above 1963, price is just going to move in this defined range. Only a break out of the range will finally allow us to make some progress. So even if I tell you triangle could be complete now, until we see a break of these levels, the triangle can always extend out further. Yeah, because there's not, there's nothing that would stop the chart to create a more complex E wave. Yeah, so for example, the E wave could consist of this as a larger A wave, B and C. That's unfortunately all possible. Yeah, so it can always extend out further. But because we now have officially a completed Elliott wave count in a triangle, we need to be watching for a possible move down. But the levels should now be known. Okay, so that's what I'll leave you with, because at the moment there is not much more to say. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.